Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank, and today I'm going to show you some things on the topic of mobility. I brought 3 products with me, which help me to simply become more mobile. First at the construction site, and of course also in the workshop. Let's start with the first product. Our sys cart. The sys cart is a plastic panel which is mounted on 4 wheels, all having the same height. The wheels have a height of 100 millimeters and are equipped with a brake in the front section so that the unit can remain relatively stable even on uneven surfaces. Finally, we have small locking mechanisms for the placement of the sustainer unit. The handles on both sides make it easy to transport the sys cart in the event that it's not needed. As implied by the name, sys cart, sys stands for sustainer. I can also put the sustainer here. How does it work? It's quite simple. Just install the sustainer and lock it into place. Not only the traditional sustainer units are stackable, so are T-lock sustainers. The maximum height of the stack would, of course, depend on the height of my door. But in general, we can say that up to 100 kilograms can be loaded reliably. As soon as the brakes are released, you can move the cart very easily, quickly, and safely from point A to point B. Okay, that was the first product. Let's have a look at our next product, our sys roll, loadable up to 100 kilograms. It also features 4 wheels, 2 smaller wheels in the front section for braking, 2 larger wheels located in the rear section, so I have the option to fill this sys roll, which resembles a barrow, with sustainers. This is again very useful for moving your equipment from point A to point B. If I have to climb stairs, these big wheels enable me to pull the whole unit up the stairs step by step. In the rear section, we have a plastic glider which enables us to pull the sys roll very gently over edges. This spacer is another very convenient feature. It holds the sustainers in position, even if the sys roll tips over, and makes sure that my fingers won't get trapped in between. It goes without saying, safety first. Thus, our scope of delivery includes a belt system, which is again very easy to use. With it, I can secure and transport my sustainers properly. A quick release of the belt locks is also possible. As you can see, I just quickly release the belt locks. We also have mounting receptacles at the back of the handles. This enables me to secure the whole unit with the belt system to the platform gate, so that the sys roll is attached to the platform gate. Some of you may have already noticed the next feature. In the bottom section, there's a drawer, which is loadable up to 5 kilograms. It's perfect for storing clamps or tools that also need to be transported. I also think this is ideal for mobility. It means a quicker transport of my sustainers from A to B. I think no craftsman should be missing out on this great opportunity. Our little toolbox. An open cisterner with a handle, simple and convenient for transporting larger tools or fittings, such as door handle fittings or furniture accessories, to my place of installation, and for having them available there as quickly as possible.
An meinen Anwendungsplatz, dort auch dementsprechend auch schnell bereit zu haben. Das Ganze wiederum.
This whole unit is also compatible with the cisterns. For example, I can attach this toolbox to the cisterner and then carry it with me, regardless if it's a T-lock cisterner or a traditional cisterner. It's also possible to attach several toolboxes to each other. This means what we have here is an opening where the handle of the previous toolbox is inserted. This system makes it possible to connect the toolboxes with each other. These were 3 products to improve your mobility. First, the Syscart, perfect for transporting cisterns from the construction site or in the workshop. Second, the toolbox for transporting fittings or tools quickly and conveniently to the place of application. And of course, our Sysroll, an ingenious device also used for moving cisterns, tools, and maybe even machines safely to the place of application or to the installation site. I hope you enjoyed this video on mobility, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Yours, Frank.